and girls, and welcome to Brainwave. My name is Melly, and I'll be your teacher today. Today we are going to read a story called Boats. Boats, and this story is by Lennon Jones. Okay? Now we will read story boats and all the boats in this story. Okay? Now we can see the pictures. We have these boats and what you can see. See a picture like many boats, and what's this boat we can call them? What's this? Yes, we can see boats bigger and in the water. Okay, the water here. Can call them a crucian. Okay, crucian. And now can see pictures there, and we can see the father and son is making a fish. And what do you call them? Yes, the dad and the son go on the fishing boat. He's going fishing, and he's go on the fishing boat. Okay. Okay. Now can see. And there we have, yes, we have boat and shell boat, very bigger, to the wind will blowing to go. We can call them a yacht. Yachts, okay? Call them a yacht. Okay, now we can read the story, very fun and many boats. Okay, read and find out in these boats. And now you can see the pictures. We have the boats, and many people will in the boat and going to the water to in the boat to read, to fishing or going to play. And we can see in the boat we have big shell, and the shell will blowing. And the shell can go, and the boat can go, and you can see many people will help them to keep the boat in water. Okay? Now you can see the pictures. We have people use boat to have fun. Let's read it together, okay? People use boats to have fun. And now you can see many people will in the boat will play or going to fishing. Okay, two people and more little boys. Okay, and he's go on the fish. And what we use? We call them paddles. Okay, or can call them oars. Paddles or oars. We can call them okay. Paddles or oars. Okay. Now what the boat we can call it? Yes, it's a canoe. Boat we can call them a canoe. Okay? Canoe. Excellent. And what we can call them? Outrigger. This boat is we can call them an outrigger. Okay? Outrigger. We can call them a kayak. Kayak. Okay? Now you can see boat or Now you can see another pictures like a boat, and we can call them a shell boat. Here we have a big shell and jet boat. Jet boats go very fast, and the shell boats very slow. And the jet boats, and we can see people have raincoats on and coats on too. Place very wet, and it's very fun. Wet and very fun. It's very fun. Very funny. And now you can see we have people use boats for fishing. People use boat for fishing. And now we can have in the boat, and we can moor this, and we can in the water, and the fish is going. Canoe. Excellent. Okay? now can see. This boat is like a boat to go into fishing. And you can see we have a big boat here, smaller boats, and people is use boat for fishing. Okay, and people will go with the boat, and we have net in the water. We have this. Okay, fishing trawler. This boat we can call them a fishing trawler. Okay, and be careful. We have a big net here. 2 big nets on there, and go on there, go on the water, and we have many fish. And this boat, fishing boat, like a fishing, but it's not a trawler, it's a fishing boat. And we have a net here to go fishing, okay? And but this big net, this smaller, okay? Now you can see we have. And these people use boat to getting around. People use boat for getting around, and you can getting to go there and go to another there. And people use boats everywhere. Go home, go shopping, go to home breakfast to go eat. Okay, and people in this boat to go shopping or go to another home, and then go in the boat, have a water, not have a rail. Okay, and what you can call them? The boats. Yes. You can see have this more. Okay, and go to the swimming boat. And what do we call them? Yes. Somebody say this boat is called a. And somebody say this boat is a gondola. Gondola. This boat is called a gondola. Gondola is go to a water, not have a rail. Okay? And this boat, this is a ferry. This boat is called a ferry. Ferry. Okay? And we have people here. And we see 2 cars to go there and there. Okay? To getting around city. Now we have these more pictures, okay? We can call them a water bus. Water bus. Bus is go on the rail, and we can have rail bus in the every city in day. This on the water. Ferry. This boat is called a ferry, and people sit here, and these people is skating. Okay, these are not good pictures. Okay, people use boat for rescue. For rescue. Let's read all together. Okay, people use boat for rescue. For rescue. Good. Okay, I see many boats here. This boat have fires. This boat will help them. This boat is Kutanhaden and oil tanker. Many boats is Kutanhaden oil tanker. What do we call them? Firefighting boat. Firefighting boat. And you can see we have a water, and this boat is help. The boat here is have a fire and sing there. Okay. Now you can see we have another boat, and we can call them a coast water boat. Coast water boat. Okay, and this is a surf rescue boat. Surf rescue boat, and many people is go there and to help them, or when to help people will be there to help them. Now it's very funny. People use boat for racing. For racing. Racing is go to play, but it's not running in a boat. In a boat, we'll tell you. This more telling to go. We can call them a dragon boat. Dragon boat. Dragon boat is this more dragon. This is called a dragon. have a boat, we can call it say dragon boat. Okay? Oh, now we have another boat called a blower boat. Blower boat is go very faster. You have this yacht. Yacht is slow, okay? And you have big shell here, okay? Oh, now we need this like a houses and boat, like a boat and house is in the boat. And we can, some people not have a house, and people is yes, a boat will have a house, okay? People even use boats for homes. Let's read all together, okay? People even use boats for home. Houseboats, houseboats. Look like these are bigger, and like these are smaller, but it's a very nice house for people, okay? So I have you enjoyed the lesson and have read many books. So until next time, bye bye.